Hello, in this video I will show how to reset this Siemens the 840D solution line. To do that, first on the switches, the NCK, switch it to number 1, and the PLC, switch it to number 3. After successfully change those to the numbers required, press reset. After pressing reset, just give it time until you see number 5 on the 7 segment digit, and the LEDs is not changing too much, so we're gonna wait until we see number 5. Now we see number 5, so we're gonna change the PLC switch to 2, 3, and come back to 2. So we're gonna switch it, go up to 2, and then come back down 3, and then go back to 2. And we'll leave it there until we get number 6 on the 7 segment. And what this reset is going to do is initialize all the user data and parameters on this NCK. So here we got, when we got number 6, we switch the PLC and the NCK back to 0. And now we get a green light on the ready and run. So now the NCK is initialized. You're going to have to recover a backup of the PLC program, NCK program, and the drives. And that, thank you.